Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Nioh 3 game error, fail to play movie codec error. So if you're getting this error in the game Nioh 3, then here follow the fixes. What you have to do, you have to download and install the VP9 video extensions. So open Chrome and in the Chrome look for VP9 video extension download and open the Microsoft Store website. You can see here VP9 video extension Microsoft apps. So open this link. I will provide this link in my video description and then click on install button and it will ask you to open Microsoft Store. So click on this open Microsoft Store. This will open the Microsoft Store. In my case VP9 video extension is already installed, so it is showing open. But if in your case it is showing install button or get button, then click on install button to install it. And after installing it, you can go ahead, just restart your PC once. And then after restarting your PC, you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.